Hi, this is Teacher Hazel and I am going to discuss division of integers. So just like in multiplying integers, there are also two cases in dividing integers. So the first one is when you are dividing two numbers having the same signs. The second one is when you are dividing numbers having different signs. So actually yung rules nila ng multiplication ay magkapareho lang. So when you are dividing two numbers having the same sign, so same rule, positive divide by positive, the answer is positive. So in symbols, we have positive divide by positive, the answer is positive. Or if we have two negative numbers, negative divide by negative, the answer is also positive. So in symbols, we have negative divide by negative equals positive. And here are the examples. So let's say you are going to divide 15 by 3. So positive 15 divided by positive 3, the answer is positive 5. So again, if you are dividing two negative numbers, so negative 20 divide by negative 2, so negative divide by negative, the answer is always positive. So therefore, the answer is positive 10. Okay, another examples, negative 63 divide by negative 7. So negative divide by negative, the answer is positive. So which is positive 9. Okay, next, positive 12 divide by positive 3. The answer is positive 4. So remember, when you are dividing two positive numbers, the answer is always positive. Or if you are dividing two negative numbers, the answer is also positive. So same signs, laging positive. Okay, yung pangalawang case, you are dividing integers o two integers having different signs. Magkaiba yung sign nila. So these are the rules. Positive divide by negative, the answer is negative. So in symbols, we have positive divide by negative equals negative. Or if we have negative divide by positive, the answer is also negative. So in symbols, we have negative divide by positive, the answer is always negative. So ito lang naman yung tatandaan nyo dyan. Kapag magkaiba sila ng sign, and dinivide nyo yung numbers, ang sagot ay laging negative. Kapag magkapareho sila ng signs, dinivide nyo, the answer is always positive. Okay, so let's have an example. So, here we have 15 divided by negative 3. So, positive divide by negative, magkaiba sila ng sign. Ang sagot ay negative. So, 15 divided by negative 3, the answer is negative 5. Okay, similarly, we have negative 49 divided by positive 7. Magkaiba ng sign. And then, dinivide. So, ang sagot ay laging negative. Negative 49 divide by 7. The answer is negative 7. Okay? So, another examples. Let's say we have negative 63 divide by 7. Negative divide by positive. The answer is negative. So, therefore, our answer is negative 9. Okay, and last, we have 42, positive 42, divide by negative 7. Magkaiba yung sign. And then, dinivide natin. So, the answer is always negative. 42 divide by negative 7. The answer is negative 6. Okay, that's all. Thank you.